Well, we have another question here, question 4.1. The question says that given h of x equal to -3 over x minus 1 plus 2, 4.1.1 says write down the equations of the asymptotes of h. Well, you know that the equation of hyperbola is given by y equal to a over x approximate minus p plus q, where p and q are the asymptotes, okay, of the hyperbola. So p indicates the vertical asymptotes, and then q is the horizontal asymptotes. Okay, so in this situation, I'm right here, question 4.1.1, looking for the vertical asymptotes and the horizontal asymptotes of this function h. So therefore, the vertical asymptote, which is the x value, is just 1, okay, not -1, but 1. And then the horizontal asymptotes is the value of y, which is +2. Okay, so those are the asymptotes, x and y. Now, the following question is question 4.1.2. The question says that determine the equation of the axis of symmetry of h that has a negative gradient. Well, right here, question 4.1.2. Okay, you know, axis of symmetries, you know, hyperbola generates two axes of symmetry, and they are straight lines. So they are the form y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so we need to find this equation, and we need to know that the axis of symmetry passes through the asymptotes. Now, one of the formula for the equation of symmetry, the line of symmetry, is like one of the formula. I wanted to say formula is okay. Maybe before I do that, let's just work out substitute here. It will be y equal to the gradients of axis of symmetry or line of symmetry are +1 or -1. So we want the one with a negative gradient. So it's going to be like -1x plus c. Now we're going to sub in the points in this equation. Let's substitute the values. So y will be 2 because it passes through the asymptotes, and then x just 1. So it's going to be like 2 will be equal to -1 times 1 plus c. And then this will make 2 will be equal to -1 plus c. If I move the -1 over, that makes 2 plus 1 equal to c. So c equal to 3. Therefore, the line of symmetry will be -x, 1x, so just x, plus 3. Okay. Or someone else may use another formula here. Someone may write like m open brackets x minus p plus q. You can use that formula also, where you can substitute m is -1 open brackets, x is okay, x, you keep x, and then p is 1 close bracket plus 2. So this, if you extend this, that makes -x plus 1 plus 2. You end up with x equal to y equal to -x plus 3. So that was 4.1.2. Now we're going to do question 4.1.3. The question says, sketch the graph of h showing the asymptotes and the intersects. Now, before we do the graph, let's first find the intercept. I'm gonna write here 4.1.3. So we're looking for the graph of h of x. Now, to do that, let's first start with the intercept. To find the x-intercept, x-int simply means make y equal to 0. Okay, so we have like y equal to -3 over, it's not that's really that, but -3 over x minus 1 plus 2. Okay, so we're going to make y equal to 0, and then this will be 0 equal to -3 over x minus 1 plus 2. So if I move the positive 2 over, this will become -2 equal to, okay, -3 over x minus 1. Now, remember that all integers has denominator of 1, okay? So we can solve this by cross multiplication. We do 2 here, -2 here times x minus 1, and then 1 times -1 over 3. So this will become like -2 open bracket x minus 1 equal to 1 times -3. So this will become -2x plus 2 equal to -3. So if I move 2 over, that makes -2x equal to -5. And then we can solve -2x equal -5. We can solve this if we divide both sides by -2. We divide by -2 by -2, and then that makes x equal to 5 over 2. That's the x-intercept. Now, for the y-intercept, okay, y-intercept means I'm gonna write here y-int. This simply means make x equal to 0. So the equation is y equal to -3 over x minus 1 plus 2. So we're gonna set x equal to 0. So like -3 over 0 minus 1 plus 2. Now, -3 over -1 makes +3 plus 2. That makes 5, y equal to 5. Now we have like the x and the y-intercept. Then, now that we have the x and the y-intercept, we have the asymptotes. We can now draw the graph of h of x. Okay, I'm gonna do that over here. Let's take parabola and then draw the graph. So, just make I need to draw now the vertical axis, the y. Let's do it over here. Okay.